Okay, back on track. Video number 2. Um, why is it that they'll be applauding these old folks? Because they're happy that you're there. And also, I have said this before, but I'm going to say it again. Oh, why is the world the way it is? Because old people vote. And if young people don't start voting, then no one's going to pay attention to you. That debt is going to get big, real high. And you young people are going to have to pay it off because these people are like, I don't care about debt. Someone else will pay it off. Okay. All right. To get back on track, you go to vote. They give you a little privacy shield. Okay. And then they give you a ballot. Okay. This is real basic, but for bullet point number 5, this is what you got to write down. All you got to do, as you can see, is you connect the arrow to vote. Okay. So it's very easy to vote. They give you a pen, they give you a Sharpie, and you connect that arrow just like the example shows, and that's how you vote. Now, this gets a little intimidating. This is what a ballot looks like. And there is a lot of stuff on there, but you can bring in a cheat sheet. Okay, you can bring in a cheat sheet. Now, for number 6, bullet point number 6, this is what I want to say. Write this down. You don't have to vote for everyone. This is not a test. Okay, you do not have to vote for all of the people. If you just want to come in and vote for a couple people that you know, or vote against somebody that you don't like, you can just take 30 seconds and vote. Find the 1 or 2 people you want to vote for and turn that sucker in. It's not a test. This is your right. Okay. So again, when you see this ballot, don't get intimidated. You don't have to do everything. Okay. So you vote. Okay. You bring in your cheat sheet. Obviously, you people are going to probably bring in your phone because you're all fancy. But you can easily find some online guides that you could bring up on your phone. You could bring your phone with you. Again, it's not like a test. You're not cheating. And they will kind of walk you through what to vote for. Now, here's one thing for point number 7. For local elections, the Chicago Tribune is a big newspaper around here. It leans conservative or Republican. The Chicago Sun-Times leans a little bit more Democratic. So you might want to look at both, but just so you know what kind of advice you're getting from. Now, again, when you take your notes, you don't have to take a pile of notes. You can just go ahead and summarize like we always ask you to. Okay. But that's point number 7. Again, you put these quotes here so you don't have to write Chicago twice. Quotes means you're just repeating this word, dropping it down. So Chicago newspapers will help you out. CookCountyClerk.com has information. Okay. Now, for point 8, the lawyers rate the judges because the judges are so numerous that really nobody knows all these judges. I don't know, and I teach all day long. But if you look at this, you see all these vacancies of this, that, and the other, all these circuit court judges. Nobody knows all of the candidates. It's too many. But the lawyers do know. The lawyers work with these people. So the Illinois Bar Association is basically the Illinois Lawyers Association. The lawyers know the judges. They work with them all day long. This group and groups like it know the judges well and provide advice. So for point 8 on your notes, lawyers rate the judges. And again, they will tell you some people are qualified, some people are not. And you can even find, a black lawyers group, a Hispanic lawyers group, a women's lawyers group. So there's all kinds of different aspects you can take on this. But they will ask you to take a Democratic ballot or Republican ballot. 1 or 2 last things. Number 9, you often will find public questions. And this public question you can see is all about marijuana. And basically for point number 9, so I want you to write down, public questions are important because politicians look at these results. Okay, last point. 10, there might also be referendums, and referendums are when the people vote directly and shape ideas. It's not like, Barack Obama is going to decide. No, referendums mean the people vote. Now, make sure you take a 20-word summary and write 3 study questions. Give me those 10 bullet points down on a separate sheet of paper and turn that sucker in. 5